Hello kids, let's learn some alphabets. A. This is B. C. D. E. F. G. H. Brown color, blue color, light pink color, green color, yellow color, sky blue color, pink color, orange color, black color, dark green color, red color, purple color, peacock green color. Pink color. A. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. A. A for apple. Pink color. Green color. B. B. B for bird. B for bird. B. B for bird. B. B for bird. This is B. B for bird. Green color. Sky blue color. C. C for car. C. C for car. C. C for car. Sky blue color. This is C. C for car. Blue. Blue color. D. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. D. D for dog. Blue color. This is D. D for dog. Dark green color. E. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. E. E for elephant. E. E for elephant. Dark green color. This is E. E for elephant. Red color. F. F for frog. 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 This is F. F for frog. Red color. orange color. G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. G. G for giraffe. G. G for giraffe. Orange color. This is G. G for giraffe. Pink color. H. H for horse. H for horse. H. H for horse. H for horse. Pink color. This is H. H for horse. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. A for apple. B for bird. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for horse. Pink color, green color, sky blue color, dark green color, red color, orange color, pink color. This is A. This is B. This is C. D. E. F. G. H. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. B for bird. B-I-R-D, bird. C for car. C-A-R, car. D for dog. D-O-G, dog. E for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. E for elephant. F for frog. F-R-O-G, frog. G for giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. H for horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. So A for apple, B for bird, C for car, D for dog, E for elephant, F for frog, G for giraffe, H for horse. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.